Hello, welcome to LUISA Bakes. Make this delicious carrot cake cheesecake with me. It has a carrot cake base and an indulgent New York cheesecake topping. So without further ado, let's get started. In a big mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of softened butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix it until it's combined. Let's add 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of carrot puree and mix it in. When everything is smooth, add the dry ingredients. So that's 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and the same amount of salt. Add 2 cups of shredded carrots, and if you want to, add 3/4 cup of crushed pineapple. Then mix it with a hand mixer until it's smooth. To bake the cake, prepare the baking pan. So spray it with baking oil and then line it with a parchment paper round. Fill in the carrot cake batter and smooth it with a spatula to evenly distribute the batter. Then bake it for about half an hour. While the cake is baking, let's make the cheesecake batter. For that we need 3 packages of cream cheese and combine it with about 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix it with a hand mixer on a low speed until it's nice and fluffy. Then add a cup of sour cream and for sweetness 3/4 cup of sugar. For more flavor, add 3 teaspoons of vanilla, and for a little bit of tanginess, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Add 3 large eggs and mix it until it's smooth. And that's it. Take the cheesecake batter and fill it into the cake pan with the baked carrot cake. Doesn't this look amazing, how smooth it is? Then use a spatula and smooth it out. Bake it in a water bath for about 70 minutes. When the cake is ready, decorate it with whipped cream swirls just all around the top of the cake. I like to make a border. And then sprinkle some pecan pieces on top. And that's it. This is my carrot cake cheesecake. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching. I see you next week. Bye.